Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So before I get started with this video, I just wanted to thank Dossier for partnering with me once again. Dossier is basically a fragrance brand that does impressions of higher end fragrances like Chanel, Gucci, Dolce & Gabbana, Rick and Rolf. So I'm just gonna show you guys the fragrance that I got. Hold on, I want to show you the little box. So this is how the box looks. It's like cute and small and I like the color. You open it and it looks like this. So it says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. You already know the motherfucking drill. And it also comes with like a little travel size perfume thing. I don't know what the hell these are called. They're just like the little plastic ones, you know. And I love these because you could just put it in your bag, put it in your pocket, and you're ready to go. So the fragrance that they sent me was the Woody Hyacinth. Honestly, I don't even want to try to pronounce that because I already know I'm saying it wrong. Hold on, let me try and Google it. Like, how do you pronounce that word? Okay, the way I think you say this is Woody Hyacinth. Hyacinth? Okay, let's see how you say it.
Hyacinth.
Oh, hyacinth. Okay, so I wasn't that off. Okay, Woody Hyacinth. That's the fragrance that I got. So this is supposed to be an impression of Chanel's Chance. And the perfume is 1.7 ounce. So if I go to the Chanel website and I'm gonna put the 1.7 ounce just like this one. It retails for $85. There you go. So you're literally getting this, the same ounces and the same designer smell on Dossier for $30. So that's literally a fraction of the price. Can you see it? The price is like right here. I'm gonna read to you guys the notes. Okay, so the top note is
Hyacinth.
Lemon, pineapple. Middle notes, jasmine, pink pepper, patchouli. Is that patchouli? I don't know. Base notes, vanilla, vetiver, and orris. Whatever that is. It smells so good. Like, it just smells so good. Just like the name says, it's like woody. I do feel like it's more like a stronger woody scent. And I would love to wear this in colder times. Like, I don't think I would wear this for summer because I like something more fruity and tropical for summer. This is definitely more of a winter scent for me, in my opinion. It just smells so beautiful. It just smells so good. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna put some on right now. So if you guys are interested in this fragrance that I mentioned, or you guys want to see if they have any other brand name that you have been wanting but don't want to spend the money on it, I am going to have a link down below to this fragrance, as well as you could use my coupon code. It's Alehxus10. I'm going to put it somewhere on the screen so you guys could use that, and it saves you 10% off. I am not making any money off of this code. So yeah, let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so let's just jump right into it because there was a lot of items, so I don't know how long me talking about the items is gonna take. So let's just dive right in. So we're gonna go in order from how I tried on the clothes. So the first and foremost is a little black dress. I feel like everyone needs to have a little black dress in their wardrobe. It doesn't have to be like a tight dress like this. It could be like a flare dress, you know, like usually they have like at Forever 21. It's like a little bit low cut right here, and it has like little sleeves, and it cinches the waist, and it's a little bit flared. It could be a black dress like that, but everyone needs to have a black dress in their wardrobe because you could dress it up and you could dress it down. Also, the times where you don't know what to wear to anything, you could just wear a little black dress. So this next dress is a little peachy number, and honestly I love this dress. I think this dress is so pretty, and for the price, honestly I don't remember the price, but I don't even want to say that I'm gonna have everything linked down below because that's like way too much work, and I'm not even like, a Shein partner. Like, I'm not sponsored by Shein, so like, why am I gonna do that? You know, I'm just like, I'm trying to get this fun content for you guys. But everything is from Shein. I love this dress. It is so beautiful and it's so pretty, and I feel like the quality is really good for what I paid for it, because I'm pretty sure it was less than $15. So I just think it was a really good price. And you could also adjust it on the sides, so you could make the dress longer or shorter, which, you know, if you want to be a little modest girl, you know, you want to be more modest, that'd be perfect for you. Okay, so this third dress is bold. It's very bold. It's not for everyone, honestly. I feel like you have to be just a very risk-taking type bitch for you to be wearing a dress like this, because I know that it's just not for everyone. A lot of people wouldn't be bold enough to wear a dress like this, but honestly, you should. Fuck it, we only live once, and if I want to look like a fucking clown, that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm getting like, I feel like I get clown vibes with this dress, but like a sexy clown, you know, like I could imagine a bitch wearing this with like a bright orange afro wig with like the little like red nose, you know what I mean, like a fucking clown, you know, and wearing this. She would be a hot looking clown ass bitch. I don't know, but I really like this dress. I haven't had the opportunity to wear it anywhere yet, and it's really nice and soft, and it's not see-through whatsoever. So I can't wait to wear that, and I'm still trying to figure out the perfect occasion on where I should wear that, because like I said, you just can't wear it anywhere. Or you can, I mean, if you're really that bold. I mean, I might just go to Target and wear it right now, I don't know. And this next dress, as you could, well, can you see? I don't know if you could tell from the camera, but it's pretty see-through, and I specifically got this dress for Cancun, and I did wear it in Cancun, and it looked so nice, and it was so beautiful, and you could adjust it on one side. But the reason I wanted it super see-through is so I could wear like a black bikini underneath, and you could still kind of, you know, see it through the dress. And it was giving me those vibes, like very tropical vibes, plus it smells really good because the perfume I put was Dossier, so it still smells like that, and it smells really good. Okay, so this next dress, I honestly feel like this dress is a dress from somewhere, not even from Shein, but like I'm just shocked that Shein had this dress, because it is such amazing quality, and it's giving me Pretty Little Thing vibes for some reason. I feel like I would be able to find this on Pretty Little Thing, and I love the marble like pink design. It's just so beautiful, and it is so soft, so soft. And just the fact that like this was so cheap and it has like amazing quality, I don't know, I'm just really shocked about this dress, because it is such a nice dress, and I love that you have like the little adjustable straps over here. I do feel like the straps are only made out of the mesh, so if you're not careful and like someone holds on to you, it will rip. So you just want to keep that to consideration. But this dress is so beautiful, and as well, since you could adjust it on the sides, you can make it longer or shorter if you're a modest type girl, because I am not modest whatsoever. Like, this next dress is like a minty, yeah, I guess you would consider like a minty dress. It's a cowl neck, and I absolutely love cowl necks. I feel like cowl neck is just so flattering literally on everyone, especially if you have little fucking boobs. Like, the smaller the boobs, the more a cowl neck will just like, it'll just te va a lucir más. You know what I mean? Like, it'll just look even better if you have no tits. But yeah, I love this dress. It has the zipper on the side, and it's just so pretty. It's just so pretty. I could imagine someone walking in Italy wearing this with some like nice like sandals or something. I don't know. This next dress, I haven't had the opportunity to wear it, and I feel it's because it doesn't fit me the way I want it to fit. I don't know if it's because I need to adjust it on the sides, or I just don't know, but I'm gonna tailor it to see like what they could do. But this is also another cowl neck, and I love this dress because it's like iridescent purple with like blue. You could adjust it on the side, on one of the sides. I love this dress, but it just doesn't fit my body the way I wanted it to. And I don't know if it's because, like I said, it's a little bit bigger. I don't know what's going on with that, but it's still a really nice dress that I just wanted to like put in here. This dress, I love this dress. I specifically got this dress for the winter time because I can't really imagine wearing this like in the summer. I could only imagine wearing this with like my Doc Martens, with like some medias, some nylons like underneath, with like a jacket. But obviously you could, you know, wear this any time of the year if you want. If I wanted to wear this right now, I would wear this with my white Air Forces. So that's how I would wear it. And the straps are adjustable, which is a really cute detail. Next are these pants. I was gonna say that they're like plaid, but they're not plaid. I love these pants so much. Like the flare at the bottom, not only do they flare, but they're also a slit hem, so there's like a slit on the side. I just love these pants. I feel like when I was fat, I was never able to wear these types of pants because they just didn't flatter me. And I feel like that's to each their own. Like whatever you feel comfortable wearing, regardless of whatever size you are, fucking wear it. But for me, I have never felt comfortable wearing printed pants of any kind because I was fat. So I'm just going fucking crazy with these printed pants, or just like any type of print pants, or any like cool looking different pants. I just want them. Like I want them all, which is like the next pants I'm wearing. I feel like they're also very bold, but the reason I feel like anyone could wear these type of pants is because they're very dark. They're black and dark red, so I feel like you wouldn't stand out that much wearing these. But they're also flare at the side, and they also have a split hem. A slit hem or split, same difference, you know. I love these pants. I think they're so fire. I haven't had the chance to actually wear them out. I did post a picture on Instagram wearing these pants, but I still have yet to wear them out, and I'm really excited. But like I said, I feel like that's dark, so I would want to wear that in winter. Then these pants. Okay, so I bought these pants not knowing that they were going to be super see-through. They're very see-through, so honestly I would not wear this anywhere unless it was tropical. So in Cancun, Puerto Vallarta, Los Cabos, wherever you guys are traveling and it's tropical, I would highly suggest like bringing some of these because I think they're so sexy. You could like wear your bikini bottoms underneath and they'll be able to like show up a little bit because they're see-through. They are shiny. So I wore these when I went to Puerto Vallarta. Oh, and they're also flared. They're like boot cut. I wore these in Puerto Vallarta and Nadia was like, okay, Selena, because I guess it just reminded her of like Selena's iconic outfit that she wore in Texas, which is like the purple. It's like the purple. It looks like this, but it's just purple, you know? You know what outfit I'm talking about. So she thought it reminded her of that. These next pants are just regular black pants, which I fucking love. They're also flared at the end, and they have a split hem on the side as well. And I love these pants. I love these pants. I don't know what else to say about these pants. Like, I just love them. The only thing I really don't fucking like about them is the what is it called, the waistband. There we go. The waistband, I feel like, oh my god, like the waistband is fucking horrible because they're not sewn on to the actual like pants. It's just roaming around in here, so I feel like they tend to like fold in half a lot, and I have to try to like undo it, which is the only downside about these pants. But I absolutely love these pants so much. If anything, I feel like they're probably like one size too small. I think I should have gone up a size. Honestly, I would repurchase them again with the proper size because I feel like they're a little bit too tight on me, just a little bit. These ones do have a little bit of see-throughness, but like once you have like a black underwear on, you can't even tell, so I don't really care. These are just like a straight leg type of pants. They don't have like a boot cut or anything like that. They don't have like a split hem or anything like that. I do love these. I think they're so nice. The waistband does not give me a problem like the other ones do, and I just love these pants. I feel like you could dress them up or dress them down. You could make them look very casual, just like wear that with like an oversized sweater with some white Air Forces, and it's like a very casual look. Or you could wear some black heels with them and it'll look really, really nice. The next top I'm going to talk about is this one. I love this top. It's like a little itty bitty top. Honestly, I have like saggy boobs because of my weight loss and stuff like that. So if you have perky boobs, this literally will be like your best friend. Like this top, you will fall in love with this top if you have amazing perky boobs, because I don't have perky boobs, but I know that if I did, I would love this shit. I still like it, but I just need to fix my titties for this to look even better. It's very small. I'm gonna show you guys the back obviously in the clip. But this top is also not for everyone. If you are more big chested, you will not like this type of top. You really wouldn't like this type of top, but it's a nice top. The only thing I don't like is that the straps do lower over time. I was having that issue in the clip. Whenever I wear this top, I do use a shoelace to tie around it so it won't slide off, because I don't wear a bra with this. So if they slide off, one titty's gonna go out. So yeah. The last top is actually the one I'm wearing right now. It's a crop top. It's like an oversized crop top, and it has like the collar, and you could like, you know, button it obviously if you want. It looks like this, and I love this top. So I remember the first time I was trying to get this top, this was like back maybe like a year ago. I had put it in my cart, and by the time I wanted to go check it out, it was sold out. So this shirt sells out very quick, and once I was able to get my hands on it, even after when I would see it sold out. So this shirt is a very like hot selling item on Shein, but I really like this shirt. I think it's really cute. It's very casual. I like to wear it with just like oversized jeans. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you didn't, then what the fuck do you want me to do about it? Like, stay mad. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.